Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about, will crypto crash again? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and having suggestions, press please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, if you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links have gone out. Pinned here on YouTube in a second, right? So let's see what's happening. Who's in the house, man? Marcus Garcia, yo. Jeff, hey. Amay. Bring facts, fishing with y'all. Awesome. Marcus just bought the dip. Congrats. Alright, pretty impressed with someone calling both the big dump and May. Pretty good neckline. Right. Awesome. Look at the volume. Yeah, host. Thank you very much for that follow, man. Andrew, what's up? El Producto, hey, man. Soka and Jason. Everyone, what's up, guys?
What's up?
Sorry, stream had to start a little bit late. Some alert went off, and we all had to, leave. And now we all came back. So, it's all good. I'll tell you in the Discord, because apparently we talk about some stuff like that sometimes, because you get misinterpreted by algorithm, and then we get the boot. So, anyways, let's go check out market cap. What's up? Let's go check out market cap. Here we go. There's the market cap. And now, what's happening with market cap? Well, look at that. Took a dive, right? I remember we had various divergence. We were looking for a move into downside. Remember yesterday I told you guys I wanted to sell? I should have sold right when I said I wanted to sell. Oh man, that feeling was there. Remember I was talking about that in the decision of trying to sell without a plan. I should have just gone for it. We dipped a lot, 11.65% to be precise. Right now trying to reclaim, but look at this, we're below the 20 moving average. Guess what? The 20 moving average is now becoming a resistance. All right. So back into this area of support resistance that we had broken out of, unfortunately. So hopefully we are going to find support here again, or at least be within this area. Still above the trailing, which is fine. But let's go check out Bitcoin dominance, because there's really nothing else developing yet, I think. We might have some hidden divergence. Let me check. Do we know? Or look at this. 13.82, and then this is negative 12.63. So still less negative momentum. I guess the other side, we could say there's some hidden divergence that's being built. So that could work for a stagnation, or at least for a stall before we continue moving. This would not be bad at all, right? This would not be bad at all if we do manage to stall a little bit on hidden divergence. Yeah. Hold the line, good vibes. Awesome. Cardano's been a good rebound. That's awesome. You gonna screw manipulation? Yeah. Marcus, yeah, I'm still up. Yeah, I'm still good. I'm still in the green. I went to sell yesterday Ethereum so I could buy XRP. I was not expecting for the market to crash so hard. I was seeing a lot of indecision. We talked about that yesterday. I was telling you I didn't like the tightness on the Bollinger Bands we were getting on Ethereum. The fact that we're failing to bump and go higher, right? Looking for a group? Don't be mad. Here's a group. You can join it. But guess what? I sent the money today earlier to my from my Coinbase off to my Bitso. But for some reason, Coinbase decided that it was the smartest thing to do today. Out of all days, I've sent plenty of Ethereum before, no problem. Today they go like, no, you know what? Oh, you want to send this transaction? You need to provide ID on both sides and a picture of yourself. I'm like, I already did that when you raise the limits in the account. When I get approved and everything on Coinbase, I provided all this information. So, oh no, your transfer is gonna take 3 days. I'm like, oh. By that time, dude, the market's gonna be doing something else. Screw this. Yeah, Steve, that's correct. Yes, that is what happened. That's precisely what happened, and that's why the stream started late. Right. So, out of an algo, sure, let's put him on the list. Right. Coinbase offline, yeah. They did the same to your extra level KYC. I know, but you already provide this when you sign up. The first thing they ask you for is like, you want to clear the next level and be able to not have restrictions in your account. You got to provide your ID and a picture of yourself. I did that. I had maximum clearance. Now when I went to send the transaction today, it's like, I don't know if it's you. You need to provide ID again. It's gonna take 3 days. I'm like, screw that. That is bullshit. And the thing is, I like to keep some of the money on the exchange just so I can trade when I need to, and then I keep some of the money on the ledger. And I didn't want to move it from the ledger, so I wanted to move it from the exchange. So the transaction had already sent. It's just gonna take forever. So I'm like, dude, I don't want to send this money over and then have to send it again and pay another transaction fee. It's just a whole bunch of BS. Anyways, yeah. Let's go here with the ADA. Also, right on the list. Not we're gonna do it right now, but we're gonna put it here on the list. Anyway, so even if I wanted to sell yesterday, I couldn't. What I could have done, I could have hedged against myself. And I realized that until when the transaction failed, and I was trying to figure out what to do. Basically, if they put a hold on your account when you're trying to send out the money, and you have the same amount of money or more, let's say Ethereum, like you want to send 2 Ethereum, you want to sell 2 Ethereum, right? You're gonna send 2. You had 4, you sell 2, and then you send 2. So however long that's gonna take, that's fine. But you sell it on the market on your account, right? And then whenever it gets to your your final wallet, when you're gonna sell it to the market on your where you're gonna cash out, let's say, you just rebuy and you're basically offsetting the transaction, right? So you're gonna get 2 Ethereum either way. You're gonna get a little bit more money on the other end. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but I cannot go off. I cannot offboard or use an off ramp from Coinbase because I'm in Mexico, so I have to use Bitso. That's my Mexican pair trading. So if I wanted to, or what I'm gonna have to do next time is if I'm sending myself to Ethereum, it's gonna take forever. I'm gonna have to send those to Ethereum, sell to Ethereum on Coinbase immediately. That way that got turned into dollars. Whatever happens with that Ethereum is not gonna matter. When this Ethereum gets off to my offboarding place or to my off ramp, I sell those and then I rebuy back that money, whatever I have here on, or the equal amount or whatever it's the case, back here, and then just sell whatever the difference is here. And then, I'll basically still have 2 Ethereum. So I'm gonna have to hedge that way with transfers. Gold CFD. Right. Right. So let's keep rolling. So a lot of things happening with Bitcoin, right? A lot of people asking weird questions like, is this the powers that be trying to crash on El Salvador, making Bitcoin its a base currency, right, for the country, the reserve currency, or they're one of the base currencies, and that could be part of the thing, right? The other part is people sold the news, right? Because we knew speculation as to when it was going to trigger live, so the day triggers, people sell off, right? Also, part of that large week we get, it's liquidations, right? Anyways, let's go here. Look at dominance. Dominance of 41.67. It did manage to gain dominance, right? When the market drops heavily, Bitcoin usually tends to gain dominance. That means alts tend to bleed a little bit more, which is what we saw, 72% up. Right now going down 0.61%, meaning alts are recovering a little bit better. So, Bitcoin. I wonder when is going to be the day that we're going to see Bitcoin decouple from everyone else, right? I mean, yes, if the oil market is doing bad, you do tend to see a lot of oil companies struggle. That is correct. But, if Shell goes down, doesn't mean that Chevron and the rest have to go down, right? Yes, the crypto market did go down, but it's Bitcoin that went down. So at some point in time, alts and people that we hold other coins, we got to say, forget Bitcoin, man. I don't care about it. I'm going to just put more money into this other coin. Let Bitcoin drop if they want to. Let them do their thing. Let them play with their money. We're playing with our money here. And like some people, it's insane that whenever Bitcoin sneezes, everyone drops. It's at some point in time that has to just break apart and not be the case. Otherwise, this market is not going to be very free flowing. It's always going to be Bitcoin centric, and that is not correct. At some point in time, this has to decouple. Is it going to become more profitable for a lot of people? It's going to become easier to trade because, right now it's kind of easy. If Bitcoin goes down, everyone's goes down. If Bitcoin goes up massively, everyone's going to go up a little bit. Right? So, catching catfish, nice. IMF is not happy. That's fine. They don't care. They don't like it that they're no longer playing with their money, because if they don't play with their money, they don't make the rules. Right, Jason? That's what happens. He who has the money makes the rules. Guess what? If you can have all the money you want, but if no one's interested in it, you're going to make no rules. And that's what's going to happen. Yeah, El Salvador owns like 550 Bitcoin, I think, or something like that. Anyways, bearish divergence, moving down, right? Look, we are coming slightly low, right? So on this move, in theory, I'm going to have to measure now. So we had the bearish divergence when you were going to move down. I was really hoping that we're going to get a lot more support here and here. Remember, guys, I told you below 45, I started to get worried. We did break quickly, but again, we knew we were going to pull back. Nice to see that we closed above 46,801. I'm happy with that. Now, here we closed 46,877. Here we closed at 46,869. All right, we could say we're moving sideways for all effects and purposes. It's microscopic. 877, 869. It's like less than $10 for one close for the other. So you're gonna say we're moving sideways, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna say, all right, we're going from negative momentum to less negative momentum, right? And with that, we're gonna say we have medium bullish divergence, and with that, the possibility for action to the upside. Again, I don't want to be over optimistic right now. Neutral at 48.76. The market is shaky, right? It's shaky right now. Is Carthago in the house? Yeah, I think Carthago too. I haven't seen Carthago a lot lately. I know he's on Discord and he's chatting there, but I haven't seen him. And Carthago, if you're into his hell someday, let us know. He always has good theories, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still, but there's nothing bullish. We did get overbought though, finally. Went to overbought, back to bought. Went oversold. At 28.27 right now. Bought. Sorry, how much keep saying bought? Sold at 31.7. Andre, what's up, my friend?
What's up?
Anyways, we are right there. Sold. 31.71. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Peter, you're welcome. That's what we're here for. People won't start what having it. Yep. Right, so low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Still, we had bearish divergence yesterday. Remember, we talked about this. Hello, we were here 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Afterwards, the fan, remember? Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Ethereum had a lot of tightness of the Bollinger Bands, broke down. Nothing bullish. We're not really creating a pattern yet. We're trying to consolidate after a large move down. We still got to get above that 20 moving average on the 1 hour. We got to go for 20 moving average on the 4 hour, which is going to take some time now. And the reason that you're going to see these lines, or this smaller fibs, is I rarely go to the 5-minute chart. But today, it was one of those weird days where I really needed to know what was going to happen. So first things first, what do? I went to the high point here, to the low point closing. First thing I noticed, tweezer bottoms. I put that on the Discord. That is a reversal pattern. Tweezer bottoms, I'm not making this up. That is a real candlestick pattern, guys. Tweezer bottoms look like this. I'm going to bring this to the side here in a bit. Anyways, here we go. Right there, I don't want to make that big. Anyways. Tweezer tops, a bearish reversal pattern. Tweezer bottoms formation, it tends to be a bullish reversal pattern, right? They look like this. Your wicks usually come to the same height, or at least you're closing us at the same level. But at least you want to see the wicks coming to the same level and then rejecting. That means that we're rejecting hardcore this line. Here, the closing, or the lowest point, 42,600. The lowest point, 42,600. So we double wicked at the same level, creating a tweezer bottom, looking for a reversal and a bounce. So that was probably a good way to tell that you could gotten for an in. And yes, it would have been, a little bit good play here. Struggling with that 50% though. We're trying to get above it right now. But really, we need to get above that 50, that 618, that 786 here on the 5-minute chart. I rarely come here, like I said, but today, really, when there's a drop like this, you really want to know whether or not you're retracing and where you can go to. So we know valid retraces are at least a 618 before we might see another impulse down. Hopefully, we're not going to get another impulse down, and we can look for some recovery to happen, some healing to come on. We pull back. It's fine. We consolidate it now. We're consolidating for a couple hours now. We've been consolidating. And we're making this like kind of rounded bottom. I don't like those. Sometimes they tend to make this weird pattern where we go like this. And we go like this. And then we go hook and then drop, right? So they do tend to set up sometimes bull traps. Be careful with that. Right? That is it for Bitcoin. Let's go. And by the way, guys, there's stuff that I sometimes cannot say out loud explicitly. But you guys, I'm not sure if you guys pay attention to the titles of the stream. And to, not only to the titles of the streams, but also to the descriptions of the videos. I tend to put a lot more stuff there sometimes. At least sometimes I do try to tell you guys some stuff that could happen. So that's what I'm trying to show you right now. Did this not save with a small thumbnail? Did it not save a thumbnail here for the stream? Yeah, it did. All right, weird. I'll show you this real quick, right? This was yesterday's title. This was yesterday's video. Will crypto collapse? We're looking at crypto as it continues to rally, and now we ask a question. Has it reached a tipping point? Let's look at Ethereum and see if we can get above 4K. Big clue in the title from yesterday. All right. A lot of uneasiness. I was really uneasy yesterday. You guys saw that. I was talking about feelings, market stuff happening. Trying to sell without a plan. Yeah. Anyways, when Crown's got no filter. Yeah. I know. It's weird, huh? Yes. Second dump coming soon? Probably. We might get another. We usually get 3 legs, right? 3 legs down. So right now I'm trying to see where might be a good area. I don't want to sell. I usually don't sell on the way down. I try to buy. But there's some Ethereum that I want to offload at current prices so I can buy other stuff. And I told you guys that yesterday. There's a dip, and the fact that it's taking forever put a damper on my plans. Damn yous. And now I'm trying to get this Ethereum and try to figure out where I want to be able to get out and hopefully not take a hit. Ethereum did behave a little bit better. Still take a hit, 12%. At some point in time, it was bleeding a lot more than Bitcoin. But it managed to close that gap towards the end. Right now, we're trying to see some recovery. We're trying to get above that 236 again, which is not bad. It's at around 3,565. And then we're going to have another resistance at 3,641 above there. It'll be for a game, but the fact that we want to overtake that 20 moving average will be good, particularly if we hold it today. That being said, low to high, negative, less negative, low, lower. Man, finally some hidden bullish divergence, just like Bitcoin. I mean, it might not be enough, but the fact that we're getting at that 20 moving average could give us enough to try to hold support. Now, I'm really hoping that this holds support. Neutral 53.63. We cooled off a little bit here, still pointing up. Before I keep moving, right? Before I keep moving, I got to go back to this Bitcoin chart and show you something. Y'all remember I was talking about this? And like how we were like at this spike and we could be getting that movement down? It's starting to look a little bit similar now, right? Look, 1, right? Bearish divergence. We had divergence here against the RSI. 2, bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. 3, bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. And then here, just hidden divergence against the MACD, but not against the RSI. But 1, 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 rallies. Drop, and then we try to recover, and then we fell. So 1, 2, 3. So first, second, third, drop, right? Weird how it's starting to look a little bit more similar now, right? That it's not pumping every day. Again, we talked about this. Say, yo, we could be coming in and hooking in and curving back down. And this, I said, it's starting to look like a fractal of this. Something that we talked about a couple streams ago, 1 or 2 or 3 streams ago. Brought up the idea and started talking about this, playing around with this idea. So, aha! Suck it, non-believers. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, trying to hold. Let's go to the 4-hour Ethereum. Ethereum trying to bounce. Again, fits from shorter time scales, ignore them. They're there for my indication as to where we're at. We're getting above that 618, which is fine. Again, the wick did bring us out back down here on the 5-minute chart. Now it's anchoring not from the height of the drop, but from here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send this to the 5 minutes. I really don't care about them here. But what we can do here, for all intents and purposes, is go from the high point, right? That would be here to the low point and see where we're at. So we're getting to at 236 and we are rejecting, right? So is that good? Not necessarily. I mean, we are missing some data that from short time scales. Is it the best anchoring point? Not right now, but at least we know we rejected once and we're rejecting twice at 236. So it gives some validity to this. We do need to get above that 236 to start retracing. So this might become some short 4-hour fibs that I'm probably going to keep here for the short term. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, on the 4 hour, I didn't do divergences. Low to high, negative. Look at this. We had hidden divergence. We popped. Great. Look at this. Look at this madness. We still have hidden divergence against MACD. And we now also have hidden divergence against the RSI. Went oversold, man. Ethereum hit oversold hardcore. Yeah. Sold at 32.31. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 hour. Look at how crappy it looks. We had this tightness of the Bollinger Bands, remember? I'm going to bring this over here. So we had a lot of tightness of the Bollinger Bands. I even played with saying, yo, we haven't been this tight in a while, the Bollinger Bands. We went back until we had a very, very large pop. I can't remember when we found it, but it was a while back. And we had hidden divergence. We had bullish divergence strong, but we rejected this zone, right? We rejected this zone. I said, we're consolidating. This tends to break to the upside, but I wasn't really, really happy yesterday with the way the market was looking. So, crashed down, right? I think I might have said something on the lines like, could be getting a massive crash or massive movement down on the tightness of the Bollinger Bands. I was really not hoping to hit this zone. I was hoping to hit maybe here, also 40 pounds. Would have been very nice. But no, we went lower. That's fine. Trying to pump, going for that 20 moving average. Not too bad. Low. Are we going lower? Yes, low, lower, negative, less negative, low to high. Some strong bullish divergence here. The Ethereum. Right here, yum. By the way, guys, if you have a position open, if you have a long open, type 1. If you have a short open, type 2. A lot of longs got liquidated, right? That's why those large wicks were there. A lot of longs got liquidated. So, again, let me know in the chat. If you have position open, type 1. If you have a long or Bitcoin open, or you bought Bitcoin today, type 1. If you sold Bitcoin, have a position closed, or a short, type 2. Right. Alright, so a lot of you guys are buying. That's good. That is good. Long 2 times. Alright. Crypto Capricorn. Nice, thanks for being here. I don't think I've seen you before, but thank you very much for joining. Andrew says 1. Yo.
What's up?
That's how we do it, right? Let's go to the 5-minute chart. See what's happening here again. Yes, I do have fibs in the 5 minutes. I know. Why are you going to the 5 minutes, dude? You never go there. I know. I want to see where Ethereum is going to go. I was particularly happy when I was looking at this recovery. It's like, it's going to recover fine. Fuck, we stagnated. Why? Why are we stagnated here in the 5-minute? Hidden bearish, right? Hidden bearish divergence. High to low. Positive, more positive. So dead crap us down here and moved us a lot lower. And now we're trying to recover again. And that's fine. You can call for inverse head and shoulders, micro inverse head and shoulders here. Really not care for them much. Because whatever we're doing, we already broke the neckline and we're going higher. So, it's already happened. OB Jacoby Beats. OB Jacoby Kenobi says, got liquidated in your XRP long. Oh, that sucks, bro. You're a creeper. Oh, no. You can say hi. Tristan, I haven't seen you in a while, man. Thank you very much for being here. Mario says, yep. All right, cool, man. We got a lot of people. Thank you for coming in. If you're liking the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, hit the sub. I was dying to come live earlier today. Sorry if I'm seem short. I am sitting down, and I usually have my camera set up for me standing up, but my foot's been hurting, and that's why I'm sitting down. Michelle Macy, thank you very much for typing 1. All right, so a lot of you guys are buying. That's awesome. Algorand setting up for something. All right. Anyways, look, more hidden divergence, and that's what we're seeing this pressure come back and put pressure on the Ethereum price. Again, I'm just waiting for Ethereum to ignore Bitcoin and say, you know what, you messed around with me so much. You're a bully, Bitcoin. I'm gonna pump in your face and then just go up. All right, look at that. Bearish divergence coming back down. Not hitting bullish divergence yet, but we are trying to hold on to that 20, and we're still trying to hold on to that 618, and that's probably why we are supporting, because we have a double support there, 20 moving average, and a 5th retrace, right? Anyways, Wonders Trader says, close longs early morning. All right. Smart move. You might want to reconsider, though, or at least start planning an entry or an exit in case the market does go for a rebound. Or at least set up for a short in case the market starts to go back down again. We do know that we usually get 3 legs. We've gotten 1 so far. We'd say 1 and then 2, right? Because we can break it in 2 parts. So this would have been one with a slight break, and then another one. Again, I don't like this hooking motion. It tends to hit that 20, and usually, so it just tends to break back down. I don't like it when we go like this, right? Look, one, we hook, hit that 20, and drop again, right? Trying to find another example where we've seen that before. So I gotta go look for the drops, man. Right, look at this. Right, so one, or whatever you want to call it here. You hook, hit that 20, drop. Hit that 20, drop, right? So 1, 2, 3 legs down. You're also, right, look at this. Drop, hook, hit the 21. We can say this was mini 2. And that third, right? So 1, 2 legs, but after drop, we hook, hit that 20, we drop, so. I'm hoping that's not going to be the case. Here we see it's something similar, right? We drop, try to get that 20, and then drop again. Well, this is what I'm looking at right now for this Ethereum, right? I might be doing a 3-leg move here. 4 hours, just looking like an inverse J, right? Again, we're getting that very well defined hook, right? Like I said, those ones sometimes tend to play as bull traps. You go like this and go back down. People start thinking we're gonna get a nice recovery, all of a sudden gain some confidence or some false confidence. Break down. Not really looking forward to that. Let's go and check Binance. Taking shorts with a grain of salt. Yeah. You should be taking shorts with some Tums or something for the stomach. Look, bearish divergence. Oh no, we broke the 20, went to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Oh, guess what? Hidden divergence is still here. Here, not that line. And no, we picked the wrong line. There we go. There we go. Neutral 43.85. Again, hidden divergence, potential correction to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearishness dropping. Low, lower, negative, more, low, low, lower still. We are oversold at 22.83 and still trying to come back up to the 20 or the neutral zone. So a lot of recovery to go here. On this, it is already on the list, actually. Thank you very much for asking. And here, look at this. Oh no, we had bearish divergence. We dropped below the 20. Fell, recovered, boop, and then the rest of the market moved us down. We also tried to recover like Ethereum, but we just dropped a lot more. Ethereum handled this a little bit better, right? Because we recovered and then just stagnated a bit. This one's like, boop, and then trying to make a small U formation here. Again, there's really nothing here that is bullish right now. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. At least Ethereum had some bullish divergence here. Neutral at, neutral sold at 35.01. That's it for Binance. Again, really not a lot. We're waiting for us to make a move, consolidate, maybe try to get above the 20-moving average, right? All right, Jake's got an important message. It says, friendly reminder, clean your rigs and ASICs. If you want to see a super dirty ASIC repair, replace fan, check a crypto mining Discord. All right, yeah, go check the crypto mining on Discord if you want to see how to replace a fan on an ASICs. Let's check comp. It's important that you guys keep your rigs clean, or at least give them some maintenance every now and then. I do try to at least do one yearly in-depth maintenance of my desktop. Every 2 years I try to change the thermal paste, and then 1 year, every 6 months I just dust it off with some canned air, and then once a year I do try to get it to get professionally clean, or at least very well cleaned, and the nooks and the crannies that I that still stay on sticking with some dirt. Right? Yeah. To get your PC clean. Let's go do reset comp. Comp at $415. Settles motion, bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside dropping, right below 20. Look, we wicked that 786, so we're so nice above that 50% retrace. Kind of sucks the rest of the market brought us down. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. Neutral 43.64. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right. Bearish divergence moving down. Lower negative, more negative. Oversold at 29.51. Still in the oversold stage again. In that hooking line, right? That hooking move. Fixed chart. All right. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks, man. That's where my chart list is at. Thanks for letting me know. Right. So breaking down, right? Not a lot to see here. Low, more negative, lower still. We had that hidden bullish. We did pop on it. Then we didn't have anything to hold on to. I was hoping for some consolidation, which we did for a bit. And then look at this. Hitting that 20, rejecting, dropping down. You know, it dropped. We don't have anything here. Sold at 36.78. Let's go. Check out XRP. Shoppy. I know. I made this super tiny. Let's go to XRP here. XRP at $1.13, man. Going up 0.5%. Ain't that great? It's pumping like 0.5%. On the daily, look at the massive drop of 18%. Bro, did it get hurting for the XRP holders? At some point in time, it was dropping a lot more. It went below $1. You could buy XRP below $1. That's what I wanted to do. I just didn't have Ethereum to buy it. I wanted to offload off the pesos because I also wanted to buy some other stuff. I need to get money off the market also. But we'll see. We'll see. I need to buy XRP. I need to buy some other stuff. So nice stuff. Nice stuff here. So unable to buy XRP below $1. It sucks. I mean, look at this. From the bottom of the wick to at least the closing yesterday. Just 18% gains like that. A lot of people lost 18%. So you could have gained 18% if you would have bought that bottom. Bearish divergence section downside. Nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 49.21. And I'm just going to check for hidden divergence, which we do have. It's the only thing we can have. Like a couple of the other projects. Not really special here on XRP. Neutral at 49.21. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence right now. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, lower still. Nothing. We're from completely overbought to completely oversold in a matter of hours, man. A matter of days. Like the 6th at 3, and then by the 7th at 11. Like one day, we went from overbought to oversold. Now we're back to sold at 34.30. 1 hour, we don't have anything. Coming lower, lower still. Low, lower, negative, slightly more negative. All right. Here we could say something against the RSI and say, yo, we might have something here. We have strong bullish divergence. Trying to climb. Below at 20, still below. $1.16 and below $1.17, right? One of them is this blue line that's just coming down. That's a price that we need to hit before we get there. And then the 20 moving average at $1.17. Not the best move, man. Not the best move. I mean, at least we're starting to make some positive momentum, right? Nothing to write home about. And we're sold at 37.60. So let's go check out Atom. The atom. Where is the atom? Here we go. 21.66. Oh yeah, I heard something like that. Bearish divergence, moving down. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish, man. That's what I'm trying to gauge right now. Yo, what's up, man? Thank you very much for that. That's up. What's up back at you, man? Yes, this is what I'm looking at right now. This line makes no sense how I drew it. Because that anchor is there. Right? I missed the anchor. So Atom, here we go. hidden bullish divergence with that. The possibility for us to try to hold this level. We're below 20, so we need to get back above it. Right now, that hidden divergence tells us that we want to go for a move to that 20. At 20 sitting at $22.10. We're sitting at $21.61. So it's about a 50-cent pump to get there. And then once we get there, we're going to figure out whether or not we're going to get above that line. We're neutral at 53.27, pointing slightly up on the RSI, meaning that we're at least looking right now for actually the upside. Let's go here to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence, moving down, dropping, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Sold at 38.04, not a lot. We just go to the 1 hour. Yeah, nothing here that is bullish, guys. Also, nothing here that is bearish right now. Getting this across the MACD and the signal line, again, if we're below that 200 moving average, it will be a MACD strategy entry. Considering the massive drop we've taken, I would say just wait for the market to confirm something else. Where's that 200? Ooh, I hit it. There we go. What? No. Show me the 200. We are below the 200 moving average? Yeah, we're below 200 moving average. So MACD strategy does not trigger an entry. Neutral 41.32. That is it for Atom. Let's check Algo. I mean, we're not going to be finding a lot of stuff that is bearish, right? The reason for that is everyone to drop. So we need to consolidate. We need to form a pattern. We need to form something before we look for rallies. Right now, any kind of rally, it's probably going to be unsustained. And it's probably could cause some hurting. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. There was nothing bearish here. It just dropped with the market. Hitting the 618. Trying to climb back up, or we just rejected that 786. Right, look at this. We zoom in. Fib, hit, spot on. We have awesome fibs on this channel, man. We are bought at 63.47. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. You are welcome, Tristan. Thank you very much for coming in. Low to high, low to high, low to high. Negative. Where are we going here? Bro, this one's a tough one to call. Because in theory, we are slightly higher, but it's just a fraction, man. We could say there's hidden divergence. Hidden divergence. That's what I'm going to go with. Hidden bullish. And kind of suits why we're getting that small rally here. And getting above that 20, we just need to confirm closing this 4-hour candle above there and have the next candle close above there as well. If we want to look for some more recovery. So, neutral at 54.22. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Come back down. Dude, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Nothing here that is bullish, but we are creating hidden bearish. That's when we're stagnating on that rally, right? That's when we're starting to see some rejection. It wouldn't be surprising to see that even that we got here, we're going to be going low to high and still have that hidden bearish, right? Because even when we close here, it's fine. Still have hidden bearish. So hidden bearish divergence with that potential action to downside, right? Did you see a diamond? I didn't see a diamond. Crypto didn't go where? Did I miss a diamond? Use bread, man. And worms. No, I'm kidding. The start of one to move. I'm gonna say, yo, send me down to the Discord, man. I need to see what you're talking about. I need to picture it, I guess. On this project, on Algorand, I mean, it's hard to. I'm not sure what you're looking at, but or even what time scale you're looking at. I would need a little bit more information. We're talking about this. This drop being the center on the 1 hour. All right, so the line I was drawing was fine. All right, so we're going with that line there. I mean, something like this? Not quite seen the diamond yet. Yeah. Use a 4 hour. Alright, might look better there. Send it to me in the Discord. I would need to check it out so I can see it properly. I'll definitely check it out for you, my friend. But put in the Discord. Look, still going for a rally, right? Still have that bearish divergence. Not bad for algo. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go back to the corner real quick. 47,000. We are more or less where we're at. So, let's go to ETH. Is ETH trying to rally? Nope. 2%. All right. So 3,500. A little bit lower than when we started. Again, rejection near that 20. Man, Ethereum really needs to get its act together. Let's go to ADA. Not really enjoying. It was an exciting day. And just afterwards, it gets boring, right? Because we start to move sideways, and we don't know how long we're going to move sideways for. Or if we're going to take another drop. The market is shaky. People are scared. They're just seeing a big drop. El Salvador president came out and say, yo, we bought more. We bought more. And then he's like a Shad, right? He came out and was like, oh, Bitcoin dip, we just bought more. Like, we don't care if you throw Bitcoin down, we're going to buy it. That's basically his message to, if it is other actors trying to dump the market to cause pains to El Salvador, what he said basically is like, I don't give a damn. I just bought more. Keep making it cheaper for me so I can buy more. It was not a bad idea. It's a great idea going off to Bitcoin. If you keep on dumping it, I'm going to keep on buying more and I'm going to hold more Bitcoin. Like, throw a temper tantrum and throw your Bitcoin on the floor so I can pick it up, right? Let's go check out ADA. All right, so ADA broke our area of support resistance. Hopefully we're going to reclaim it, but we still managed to hold on to $2.51. We closed right almost at $2.51. So awesome supports. Closed $2.51.41, $2.51.24. So we're 0.00, right? Point to zeros and then like 2. So almost on the cent. To the IMF, yes. Anyways, look at this. Hidden divergence. Still there. Still holding. Right? We're neutral at 50.13. That 4-hour chart. Coming in lower, more negative, right? So whatever hidden divergence we're looking for here, yeah, we hit that 20 and then we were rejected, so it's no longer playing. Thank you, Bitcoin, for coming and raining on our parade. This one's also coming lower, more negative, lower still. So we had that divergence, probably hit the 20 and drop. That's it. Trying to build something. It's fine. Really don't have anything going on here. We went oversold, sitting sold at 33.72. So 1-hour chart's gonna tell us, wait, right? Look, we had that hidden divergence, hit the 20 and dropped. Nothing here that is bullish. Again, getting above this area. We're above the 20, which is good. Hoping to get a back test maybe of $2.51. Maybe that 20 moving average and pop. That'll be awesome. However, there's hidden divergence in play. Hidden bearish. See, this is why I usually don't like to call my divergences sometimes from where they originate, which is that move there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it here because we're going over data. We're actually going over this data. But we're going from a high point to a low point, right? And we're going from positive momentum right there to even more positive momentum. So hidden bearish divergence. If the market is feeling bearish, it should trigger another movement down. Otherwise, we're looking for some consolidation. That's it for ADA. Let's go. Someone said gold. Certificates for deposit. Is it even here? What is the ticker? XAU CFDs. All right. All right. So it's not here. I mean, bro, whoever requested the gold CFDs, I'm not finding it here. You gotta give me the ticker that I need to search here. I'm not gonna be wasting a lot of time looking and hunting for stuff. So you said gold certificate for deposits to $1. It's not there. We're just gonna look at gold. All right. You took your parents? Oh, that's awesome, bro. Wonder Australia. All right, awesome, dude. Yeah, just give me a ticker. I can check it out. But we'll look at gold for now. And regular gold. I mean, I know that's how we're supposed to ride it because I've seen gold before. But you know, gold is just AU, by the way, on the periodic table. But I was looking here real quick, see if I could find it. I just couldn't find it. It's just XAU CFDs. I just couldn't find it here. So if you find it and send me a ticker, I'll check it. Anyways, meanwhile, we'll just look at gold on the daily. That's where we'll look at it. We don't go any shorter on time scales. We did come back down to 1,700. We're sitting at 1,799. So really, gold has not done a lot. It's just been stagnating for a while now. Not super exciting, right? Wait towards the end of the year. A lot of mining conferences happening towards the end of the year. So you can see a lot of the moves are within the zone, except for that spike. Even if we draw it back here. Right, it's just sideways. There's really not a lot going on here. We can zoom in and try to look for divergences, but right now gold is stagnating. Right, so high to low, high to low, low to high. All right, that's anyways, yeah, some hidden divergence bearish. Potential action downside to this motion. We did drop to 20. That's it, bro. Now, don't be surprised, right? On crypto. What do we know September usually is? September, we've talked about this before. September tends to be a red month, right? We've been talked about this. Now we started to go red a little bit. Look at that, spinning top. All right, but we did say out of the last 10 Septembers, all right, we counted. That's why they are, this is not the chart we're looking for. This is the chart we're looking for, right? So these are the August, by the way, I think. Yeah, well, here we did October's, but September's, we also counted. And we know that out of the last 10 Septembers, 7 have been red and only 3 have been green. So the odds state that September should be, in theory, red. 70% chance that September turns towards the red. So are we expecting a red September? Man, seeing today's drop and the fact that we might get continuation, yeah, it could be a reality, right? Yeah. I mean, it's fine. Look, Ethereum's on the green. All coins. September tends to be red for a lot of the projects. Let me see if this one has the most data. I know that there's a lot of lines back there. It's about the same as this one. So what we can do here, just for a fun exercise, is check September's here. We're not going to have a lot of history. Just go back to 2017. But September, look at this. September for Ethereum, green. September, green. Red. Red. Green. Oh, no, red. All right, so out of 5, 3 have been red and then 2 green. Yeah. Bet against the trend? Yeah. Should you buy Ethereum right now? Dude, I was talking about selling Ethereum yesterday. I'm not sure if you should buy right now. I'm worried about potential second movement down. So I would say right now it's a period of time when we wait a little bit. We don't know if we're going to go for another leg down or if the market's going to try to recover a little bit more. We are trading above that 20 moving average, which is fine. But, you know, if Bitcoin drops again, we're going down. 2 more shelves. Yeah. You mean this gap here? Shit, where is it? Am I in the daily? No, it's Bitcoin dominance. There we go. Gap 2 here, or gap 1 up here, right? We have gap 1 up here that we haven't closed. And we have gap 2 here, which we also haven't closed. So we're stuck between gaps. We're almost at the middle of gap land. Swaggy T-ball. And I would say wait a little bit. I'm not sure if it's going to be days or hours, but if you're worried about it dropping more, set up a sell order. If you're worried about it pumping and getting left behind, set up a buy order. Just make sure that you have a good read on the market. I can not tell you what to do with your money. But usually in theory, what you want to do is, if you believe it's going to go above this price and you don't want to miss any more pumps happening, place an area there to, like, you know, buy. If it drops, then just set up another buy area here. Or you put a buy area here in case it starts to pump. You can probably wait, or at least put some kind of order to buy once it reaches that higher point in case you want to buy and not be left out. But if it starts to drop, you can always put buy orders way down, right? I would say right now it's waiting time. Look at this. It's moving sideways. We don't have a lot happening. We just took a massive drop. Massive, talking about 10%, but still 11% happening yesterday, right? But if you look at this, we're moving sideways. We're trying to figure out, like, we're trying to get another red candle, a 1% drop, right? Not looking too hot for the market. It's it was also getting that feeling, right? Oh, it's like we want to go down, right? 5-minute chart for entry, yes. Yeah, it's you're worrying because nobody's buying. Yeah, well, it just freaking dropped. Everyone's scared. No one wants to buy. They want to know if it's going to drop more so they can buy a better area of value. We did get a lot of volume on that drop, right? I was talking about that, right? Look at the volume on the drops. Boom, boom, right? On Bitcoin. Look at this. It's insane. Look at how much volume we got. We hadn't gotten this much volume in a while, right? So that drop was legit. That drop came with money saying we want to get out of crypto. Boom. Look at that. Last time we had something similar to this amount of volume, right here, it was way back here on July 28th. When we were on this rally, right? So last time we had a lot of that negative volume. Back here, and then before that over here, when we took a 14% dip on May 19th. Yes, volume is important. Yeah. I'm really interested on Ethereum closing above the 20 moving average. Anyways, guys, I think we're going to be calling it a stream for tonight. Jen, thank you for being here. How's everyone? It's going good. Thanks for asking. Hope you're also doing good. Crypto's on sale. So you can buy some crypto. Yeah. Anyways, what else? I think it was good. I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Yeah. We've gone through everything. We talked Bitcoin, we talked Ethereum, we talked data, Binance, Comp, XRP, Atom, Algo. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember, we're building one of the most awesome crypto communities out there. We cannot do it without you guys. You guys make it happen. You guys make it amazing to be here. And I'm so glad to be part of this community and be able to do this every day. Thank you for joining me again. If you like the content, again, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Help us by reposting our tweets. Also, remember, all the information that we provide is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment and educational purpose. This only. Don't trade based on what you see here. That's it. Guys, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto. Until then.